Simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction. Introduction. Welcome to the ByJSTD YouTube channel, where we bring you innovative ideas and inspirations for home decoration and construction. Today, we are diving into an exciting project, building a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction. In a world where housing costs can be prohibitive, this concept aims to offer a practical solution for those looking to create a beautiful and functional living space without breaking the bank. The idea of a courtyard house is not just about aesthetics, it's about maximizing space and creating a harmonious living environment that connects the indoors with nature. By using low-cost materials, we can ensure that the construction process is efficient, sustainable, and accessible to a broader audience. Throughout this video, we will explore the essential elements of designing and building a courtyard house, focusing on how to use the concept of a courtyard house. The concept of a courtyard house is rooted in the idea of creating a serene and functional living space that fosters a connection with nature. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction embodies this principle by integrating outdoor and indoor spaces, allowing for natural light and ventilation to flow freely throughout the home. This design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the property but also promotes a sustainable lifestyle. By incorporating a central courtyard, homeowners can enjoy a private outdoor area that serves as a sanctuary for relaxation, gardening, or entertaining guests. This design philosophy encourages a harmonious balance between built environments and the natural world, making it a desirable choice for those looking to create a peaceful retreat. One of the most significant advantages of a courtyard house is its ability to maximize space while minimizing costs. When designing a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction, the layout can be optimized to utilize every square foot effectively. The central courtyard can serve multiple functions, such as a garden, seating area, or play space, reducing the need for additional outdoor features. This efficient use of space not only lowers construction costs but also enhances the overall functionality of the home. Additionally, the design can be tailored to suit various lifestyles, whether for individuals, couples, or small groups, making it a versatile option for many homeowners. When considering low-cost materials for constructing a courtyard house, it's essential to focus on sustainability and durability. Materials such as recycled bricks, bamboo, or rammed earth can be both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can be achieved by selecting materials that are locally sourced, which reduces transportation costs and supports the local economy. Furthermore, these materials often require less maintenance, providing long-term savings for homeowners. By prioritizing sustainable building practices, we can create homes that are not only affordable but also contribute positively to the environment. The design of a courtyard house also encourages social interaction while maintaining privacy. The layout typically allows for separate living spaces that open up to the courtyard, fostering a sense of community among residents while still providing personal retreats. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can create a welcoming atmosphere where neighbors can gather and socialize in the shared outdoor space. This design promotes a sense of belonging and encourages the development of relationships, which is increasingly important in today's fast-paced world. The courtyard can serve as a focal point for gatherings, celebrations, or quiet moments of reflection, making it an integral part of the home. In conclusion, the concept of a courtyard house is an innovative approach to home design that emphasizes efficiency, sustainability, and community. By focusing on creating a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction, we can build homes that are not only affordable but also enrich our lives. This design fosters a connection with nature while providing functional living spaces that cater to various lifestyles. As we continue to explore the possibilities of courtyard houses, it's essential to consider how these designs can enhance our living environments and promote a sustainable future. Embracing this approach can lead to more meaningful and fulfilling living experiences for everyone involved. Benefits of a courtyard house design. The design of a courtyard house offers numerous benefits that extend beyond aesthetic appeal. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction emphasizes the importance of creating a harmonious living environment that is both functional and inviting. One of the primary advantages of this design is the promotion of natural ventilation. The central courtyard acts as a natural air circulation system, allowing fresh air to flow through the home. This design can significantly reduce the need for artificial cooling systems, leading to lower energy costs and a smaller carbon footprint. As a result, homeowners can enjoy a comfortable indoor climate while contributing to environmental sustainability. Another significant benefit of a courtyard house is the enhanced natural light that floods the interior spaces. With walls surrounding the courtyard, sunlight can penetrate deep into the home, illuminating living areas and reducing the reliance on artificial lighting during the day. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can be designed with large windows and openings that frame views of the courtyard, creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also positively impacts the mental well-being of residents. Natural light has been shown to improve mood and productivity, making it an essential element in home design. Privacy is another key advantage of the courtyard house layout. By placing living areas around a central courtyard, homeowners can create a secluded outdoor space that feels intimate and protected from the outside world. This design allows for outdoor activities, such as dining or relaxing, without the intrusion of passers-by. In a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction, the courtyard serves as a private oasis where residents can unwind and connect with nature. This sense of privacy is especially valuable in urban environments, where outdoor space can be limited and often shared with neighbors. Moreover, the courtyard design fosters a sense of community and connection among residents. The layout encourages social interaction, as the courtyard can serve as a gathering place for friends and neighbors. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can include features such as seating areas, gardens, or even communal cooking spaces that invite collaboration and socializing. This design not only enhances the quality of life for those living in the home but also strengthens relationships within the community. The courtyard becomes a focal point for gatherings, celebrations, and shared experiences, making it an integral part of the overall living experience. Finally, the affordability of constructing a courtyard house using low-cost materials cannot be overlooked. By prioritizing sustainable and readily available materials, homeowners can achieve significant savings in both construction and maintenance costs. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction allows for creative design solutions that fit within budget constraints while still delivering a stylish and functional home. The focus on efficiency in design and resource use ensures that homeowners can enjoy the benefits of a well-designed space without compromising their financial stability. This approach to construction not only makes homeownership more accessible but also promotes a sustainable lifestyle that benefits both individuals and the environment. Designing for sustainability and efficiency. When considering the design of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction, sustainability becomes a central theme. This design approach emphasizes the use of renewable resources and environmentally friendly practices to minimize the ecological footprint of the home. By incorporating sustainable materials such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, and recycled bricks, homeowners can create a beautiful and functional living space that aligns with modern environmental standards. These materials not only reduce the overall cost of construction but also contribute to a healthier living environment, as they often contain fewer harmful chemicals and are less energy-intensive to produce. In addition to material selection, the layout of a courtyard house inherently promotes energy efficiency. The central courtyard allows for natural airflow and ventilation, reducing the need for mechanical heating and cooling systems. By strategically placing windows and openings that face the courtyard, a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can take advantage of prevailing winds, creating a cross-ventilation effect that keeps the interior cool during warmer months. This design not only enhances comfort but also leads to significant energy savings over time, making it an economically viable choice for homeowners looking to reduce utility bills. Water conservation is another critical aspect of sustainable design in a courtyard house. The integration of rainwater harvesting systems and greywater recycling can be easily incorporated into the design, allowing homeowners to utilize natural resources efficiently. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can feature permeable paving in the courtyard, which allows rainwater to seep into the ground, replenishing local aquifers and reducing runoff. By implementing these water-saving technologies, homeowners can significantly decrease their water consumption while maintaining lush gardens and outdoor spaces. Moreover, the design of a courtyard house can promote biodiversity and ecological balance. By incorporating native plants and trees in the courtyard, homeowners can create habitats for local wildlife, enhancing the overall ecosystem. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can include features such as vertical gardens, green roofs, and pollinator-friendly landscaping, which not only beautify the space but also contribute to environmental health. This approach fosters a deeper connection with nature, encouraging sustainable practices and promoting a sense of responsibility towards the environment. Finally, the economic benefits of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction cannot be overstated. By prioritizing sustainability in design, homeowners can reduce long-term maintenance costs and increase the value of their property. Energy-efficient homes are increasingly sought after in the real estate market, making them a wise investment. Additionally, the use of low-cost materials allows for greater flexibility in design, enabling homeowners to customize their spaces without overspending. This combination of sustainability and cost-effectiveness positions the courtyard house as a forward-thinking choice for those looking to build a home that is both beautiful and responsible. Creating a sense of community and connection. The design of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction not only emphasizes sustainability and efficiency but also fosters a sense of community and connection among residents. The courtyard serves as a communal space that encourages social interaction and shared experiences. By placing the courtyard at the heart of the home, this design creates an inviting atmosphere where neighbors and visitors can gather, share stories, and enjoy each other's company. This central space can be designed with seating areas, gardens, and pathways that facilitate movement and interaction, thus promoting a vibrant community spirit. In addition to serving as a gathering place, the courtyard can also be utilized for various activities that enhance community engagement. For instance, it can host seasonal events, outdoor movie nights, or gardening workshops, allowing residents to come together and participate in shared interests. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can incorporate flexible seating arrangements and adaptable spaces that can be transformed based on the occasion. This adaptability not only makes the courtyard functional but also reinforces the importance of community ties, making it a beloved feature of the home. Furthermore, the design encourages a connection with nature, which is vital for fostering well-being and a sense of belonging. The incorporation of greenery, flowers, and trees in the courtyard creates a serene environment that can be enjoyed by everyone. Studies have shown that access to green spaces positively impacts mental health and social cohesion. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can feature planters, vertical gardens, and native plants that attract local wildlife, allowing residents to experience the beauty of nature right outside their doors. This connection to nature enhances the overall living experience and encourages residents to spend more time outdoors, building relationships with their neighbors in the process. Moreover, the design of the courtyard house can promote inclusivity by considering the diverse needs of the community. Spaces can be designed to accommodate various activities and gatherings, ensuring that all residents feel welcome and valued. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can integrate features such as accessible pathways, communal gardens, and shared facilities that encourage participation from everyone, regardless of age or ability. This thoughtful approach to design not only enhances the quality of life for residents but also strengthens community bonds, fostering a sense of belonging and mutual support. Ultimately, a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction embodies the principles of community living by creating spaces that encourage interaction, inclusivity, and a connection to nature. As residents enjoy their shared courtyard, they build relationships and create lasting memories, all while living in a sustainable, efficient home. This design philosophy not only enhances individual well-being but also cultivates a strong sense of community, making the courtyard house an ideal choice for those looking to enrich their lives and the lives of those around them. Future-proofing through design and innovation. In the ever-evolving landscape of architecture and construction, creating a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction involves not only addressing current needs but also anticipating future challenges. As climate change and urbanization continue to impact our living conditions, it is essential to design homes that can adapt to changing environments and societal demands. This adaptability can be achieved through innovative design elements that prioritize flexibility and sustainability. Features such as movable walls, modular spaces, and multifunctional areas can transform how the courtyard house is utilized over time, ensuring that it remains relevant and functional for years to come. One key aspect of future-proofing a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction is the incorporation of renewable energy sources. By integrating solar panels, wind turbines, or geothermal heating systems, homeowners can significantly reduce their reliance on traditional energy sources. This not only lowers utility costs but also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. Additionally, the design can accommodate energy-efficient appliances and smart home technology, further enhancing the home's efficiency. These innovations ensure that the house remains economically viable and environmentally friendly, appealing to a growing market of eco-conscious buyers. Another important consideration in the design of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction is the use of durable, low-maintenance materials. Selecting materials that can withstand the test of time and require minimal upkeep is crucial for long-term sustainability. Options such as fiber cement siding, recycled metal roofing, and composite decking provide resilience against weather conditions while minimizing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. This approach not only reduces costs over the life of the home but also lessens the environmental impact associated with resource extraction and manufacturing. In addition to material selection, the layout and orientation of the simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can play a significant role in its longevity. Designing the house to maximize natural light and ventilation can improve energy efficiency and indoor air quality. Features such as strategically placed windows, overhangs, and cross-ventilation systems can enhance comfort while reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. By prioritizing these passive design strategies, homeowners can create a healthier living environment that requires less energy to maintain. Finally, a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction should be designed with community resilience in mind. As neighborhoods evolve, fostering a sense of connection and cooperation among residents becomes increasingly important. The courtyard can serve as a communal space that encourages social interaction, while the overall design can promote walkability and accessibility. By integrating features that support community engagement, such as shared gardens or gathering areas, the home not only benefits its occupants but also contributes to the well-being of the surrounding neighborhood. In this way, the design becomes a catalyst for positive change, ensuring that the house remains a valuable asset for generations to come. Embracing sustainability and eco-friendly practices. In today's world, sustainability is not just a trend, it is a necessity. When constructing a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction, it is essential to embrace eco-friendly practices that reduce environmental impact while still providing comfortable living spaces. The choice of materials plays a significant role in achieving sustainability. Opting for locally sourced materials not only minimizes transportation emissions but also supports local economies. Additionally, using renewable resources, such as bamboo or reclaimed wood, can significantly lower the carbon footprint of the construction process. By focusing on sustainable material choices, the courtyard house can serve as a model for environmentally responsible living. Another key aspect of sustainability in a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction is water management. Incorporating rainwater harvesting systems can help collect and store rainwater for irrigation and non-potable uses, reducing the reliance on municipal water supplies. Greywater recycling systems can also be integrated to reuse water from sinks and showers for landscape irrigation. These practices not only conserve water but also promote a more self-sufficient lifestyle. By implementing effective water management strategies, the courtyard house can thrive in harmony with its environment, ensuring that resources are used efficiently and responsibly. Energy efficiency is a cornerstone of sustainable design, and a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can incorporate various strategies to optimize energy use. Passive design techniques, such as proper orientation, thermal mass, and natural ventilation, can help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures without relying heavily on heating or cooling systems. Additionally, using energy-efficient appliances and LED lighting can further reduce energy consumption. By prioritizing energy efficiency, homeowners can enjoy lower utility bills while minimizing their environmental impact, creating a home that is both cost-effective and sustainable. The landscaping surrounding a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction also contributes to its overall sustainability. Implementing xeriscaping, which involves using drought-resistant plants and minimizing lawn areas, can significantly reduce water usage and maintenance costs. Native plants can be incorporated to support local wildlife and promote biodiversity. Furthermore, creating green spaces and community gardens can enhance the aesthetic appeal of the courtyard while providing fresh produce. By designing outdoor spaces with sustainability in mind, the courtyard house can become a thriving ecosystem that benefits both its occupants and the environment. Finally, fostering a culture of sustainability within the community surrounding a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction is crucial for long-term success. Engaging with neighbors to share resources, tools, and knowledge can create a supportive network that encourages eco-friendly practices. Organizing community events focused on sustainability, such as workshops on composting or energy conservation, can further strengthen these connections. By promoting a shared commitment to sustainability, the courtyard house can become a beacon of eco-conscious living, inspiring others to adopt similar practices and contribute to a healthier planet. Through these combined efforts, the concept of sustainable living can be realized, ensuring that the courtyard house remains a valuable asset for generations to come. The role of community in sustainable living. Building a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction is not just about the physical structure, it also involves fostering a sense of community among those who inhabit or surround it. A well-designed courtyard can serve as a communal space where neighbors can gather, share resources, and engage in activities that promote social cohesion. This communal aspect is particularly important in today's fast-paced world, where individualism often overshadows community spirit. By creating a space that encourages interaction, the courtyard house can become a hub for collaboration and mutual support, enhancing the quality of life for its residents. Moreover, the community can play a crucial role in the ongoing maintenance and improvement of the simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction. When residents take ownership of their shared spaces, they are more likely to invest time and effort into keeping them clean and functional. Community gardens, for example, not only provide fresh produce but also foster a sense of responsibility and pride among participants. By working together, community members can share skills, knowledge, and labor, making the upkeep of communal areas more manageable and enjoyable. This collaborative spirit can lead to innovative solutions for common challenges, reinforcing the idea that sustainable living is a collective effort. In addition to maintenance, community engagement can also facilitate education and awareness around sustainable practices. Workshops and events held in the courtyard can teach residents about eco-friendly gardening, composting, and energy conservation. By sharing knowledge, residents can empower one another to make more sustainable choices in their daily lives. This educational aspect is vital for creating a culture of sustainability that extends beyond the courtyard house itself. The lessons learned can inspire individuals to adopt these practices in their own homes, thereby amplifying the impact of the simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction on the broader community. Furthermore, the design of the courtyard house can incorporate features that encourage community interaction. For example, open spaces, seating areas, and shared amenities can facilitate gatherings and events. These design elements can help break down barriers, making it easier for residents to connect with one another. The layout of the house can also promote visibility and accessibility, allowing for spontaneous interactions that might not occur in more traditional housing layouts. By thoughtfully considering the design, the simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can become a catalyst for community building and social engagement. Finally, the role of community extends to advocacy and support for sustainable initiatives beyond the courtyard itself. When residents unite around common goals, they can collectively advocate for policies and programs that promote sustainability at a larger scale. This could include lobbying for local green spaces, sustainable transportation options, or community-wide recycling programs. By working together, the community can amplify its voice and effect meaningful change. The simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction thus serves not only as a physical space but also as a framework for building a resilient and engaged community that prioritizes sustainability and cooperation. Future innovations in courtyard design. As we look to the future of architecture and design, the concept of the simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction is poised to evolve significantly. The integration of advanced technology and sustainable practices will play a pivotal role in shaping how these spaces are built and utilized. Innovations such as prefabricated construction methods, 3D printing, and the use of smart materials can drastically reduce costs while enhancing the efficiency and aesthetic appeal of courtyard homes. These technologies not only streamline the construction process but also minimize waste, making them ideal for environmentally conscious builders. Moreover, the future of courtyard design will likely incorporate more biophilic elements, which emphasize the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can benefit from features such as living walls, green roofs, and natural ventilation systems that enhance air quality and promote biodiversity. By integrating nature into the design, these homes can create healthier living environments that improve the well-being of occupants. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic value but also aligns with the growing trend of prioritizing mental and physical health in architectural design. In addition to sustainability and biophilic design, the future of courtyard houses will also embrace smart home technologies. These innovations can optimize energy use and enhance the overall functionality of the simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction. Smart thermostats, energy-efficient appliances, and automated lighting systems can be integrated seamlessly into the design, allowing residents to monitor and manage their energy consumption effectively. This not only contributes to lower utility bills but also supports a more sustainable lifestyle by reducing the carbon footprint of the household.
Wooden signs with love and care, colorful moms placed with flair.
Another exciting aspect of future courtyard design is the potential for community-focused innovations. As urban areas continue to grow, the need for shared spaces and resources becomes increasingly important. The simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can incorporate communal gardens, co-working spaces, and shared amenities that foster collaboration and connection among residents. By designing spaces that encourage social interaction, these homes can help build a sense of community and belonging, making urban living more enjoyable and fulfilling. Finally, the future of courtyard houses will likely involve a shift towards more adaptable and flexible designs. As lifestyles change, the ability to modify living spaces to meet evolving needs will become essential. The simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can feature modular designs that allow for easy reconfiguration of rooms and spaces. This adaptability will enable homeowners to create environments that suit their changing circumstances, whether it's accommodating a growing household or repurposing areas for remote work. By embracing flexibility, these homes can remain relevant and functional for generations to come. The impact of community on courtyard living. The concept of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction is not merely about the physical structure, it also emphasizes the social dynamics within a community. Courtyard houses have the potential to foster a sense of belonging and togetherness among residents. The layout of these homes encourages interaction, as shared outdoor spaces provide opportunities for neighbors to engage with one another. This communal aspect can lead to the formation of support networks, enhancing the overall quality of life. As individuals come together in these shared spaces, they can collaborate on various initiatives, from gardening to organizing events, which further strengthens community ties. Moreover, the design of a courtyard house can significantly influence social interactions. By incorporating features such as communal gardens, seating areas, and open spaces, the simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction creates an environment that invites collaboration and connection. Residents can gather for social activities, share resources, and even engage in communal projects, such as maintaining the garden or organizing workshops. This not only enhances the sense of community but also promotes sustainable practices, as neighbors work together to create a more eco-friendly living environment. The courtyard becomes a focal point for social life, where relationships can flourish, and a supportive community can thrive. The impact of community living extends beyond social interactions, it also influences mental and emotional well-being. Living in a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction allows individuals to experience a sense of security and belonging. The shared spaces foster a supportive atmosphere where residents can rely on one another for assistance and companionship. This connection can alleviate feelings of isolation and loneliness, which are common in urban settings. Furthermore, the communal activities that take place in the courtyard can enhance mental health by providing opportunities for social engagement, physical activity, and creative expression. Additionally, the economic benefits of community living cannot be overlooked. The simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction model encourages resource sharing, which can lead to cost savings for residents. For instance, communal tools for gardening or maintenance can reduce the need for individual purchases, making it easier for residents to manage their finances. Moreover, by collaborating on projects, neighbors can pool their resources and skills, creating a more efficient and cost-effective approach to home improvement and maintenance. This collective effort not only strengthens community bonds but also promotes a sustainable lifestyle that prioritizes shared responsibilities. Finally, the role of community in courtyard living can inspire future developments in urban planning. As more people recognize the benefits of living in a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction, there is potential for cities to prioritize designs that foster community interactions. Urban planners and architects can take cues from successful courtyard models to create spaces that encourage social engagement and collaboration. By reimagining how neighborhoods are designed, we can create environments that not only provide housing but also promote a sense of community, well-being, and sustainability. The impact of community living in courtyard houses is profound, shaping the way we experience our homes and interact with those around us. Sustainability in courtyard design. Sustainability is a crucial consideration in modern architecture, and the concept of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction exemplifies how eco-friendly practices can be integrated into home design. The use of low-cost materials often aligns with sustainable principles, as many of these materials are locally sourced and require less energy to produce. By prioritizing materials that have a lower environmental impact, such as recycled or reclaimed resources, the construction process becomes more sustainable. This approach not only reduces the carbon footprint of the building but also supports local economies by utilizing regional materials and labor. In addition to material selection, the layout of a courtyard house can significantly enhance its sustainability. The design typically incorporates natural ventilation and daylighting, which can reduce reliance on artificial heating and cooling systems. For instance, the orientation of the simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can be strategically planned to maximize sunlight exposure during the day, allowing for passive solar heating. Large windows and open spaces facilitate airflow, creating a comfortable indoor environment without the need for mechanical systems. This not only lowers energy consumption but also contributes to a healthier living space, as natural light and fresh air are essential for well-being. Water conservation is another important aspect of sustainable courtyard design. The incorporation of rainwater harvesting systems and greywater recycling can significantly reduce water usage in a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction. By collecting rainwater from rooftops and directing it to storage tanks, residents can utilize this resource for irrigation and non-potable uses, such as flushing toilets. Additionally, permeable paving materials in the courtyard can help manage stormwater runoff, allowing rainwater to infiltrate the ground rather than overwhelming drainage systems. These features not only promote responsible water usage but also contribute to the overall resilience of the home against climate change. The integration of green spaces within the courtyard also plays a vital role in promoting sustainability. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can feature gardens that serve multiple purposes, such as providing food, enhancing biodiversity, and improving air quality. By incorporating native plants and edible landscaping, residents can create a self-sustaining ecosystem that supports local wildlife and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides. This approach not only beautifies the living space but also fosters a connection to nature, encouraging mindful interactions with the environment. Finally, the community aspect of courtyard living reinforces sustainability. A simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction encourages residents to share resources and knowledge, fostering a culture of sustainability. Neighbors can collaborate on community gardens, tool-sharing programs, and educational workshops focused on eco-friendly practices. This collective effort not only enhances the sense of community but also amplifies the impact of sustainable living. By working together, residents can create a resilient and self-sufficient neighborhood that prioritizes environmental stewardship, ensuring a brighter future for generations to come. The aesthetic appeal of courtyard living. The aesthetic appeal of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction lies in its harmonious blend of functionality and beauty. The design of a courtyard house often emphasizes open spaces that invite natural light and create a sense of tranquility. The courtyard itself serves as a focal point, providing an outdoor area that enhances the overall living experience. This design approach not only maximizes the use of available space but also creates a visually pleasing environment that promotes relaxation and connection with nature. By incorporating elements like greenery, water features, and artistic landscaping, the courtyard transforms into a serene oasis, making the home more inviting and enjoyable. In addition to the courtyard, the exterior of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can be designed to reflect local architectural styles while using materials that are affordable and sustainable. This balance between aesthetics and cost-effectiveness allows homeowners to express their personal style without compromising on quality. For instance, the use of natural stone, bamboo, or recycled wood can add character to the structure while maintaining a low environmental impact. The facade can be enhanced with thoughtful details such as decorative tiles or unique window shapes that evoke a sense of charm and individuality. This attention to detail not only elevates the visual appeal but also fosters a sense of pride in the home. The interior design of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction also plays a crucial role in creating an aesthetically pleasing environment. Open floor plans allow for seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces, promoting a sense of spaciousness. Natural materials such as clay, wood, and stone can be used in the interior finishes to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Additionally, incorporating large windows and sliding doors can enhance the connection to the courtyard, allowing for ample natural light and views of the outdoor space. Thoughtful color palettes, combined with strategically placed decor, can further enhance the overall aesthetic, making each room feel cohesive and well-designed. Landscaping is another essential aspect that contributes to the aesthetic appeal of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction. A well-designed courtyard can serve as an extension of the living space, providing areas for relaxation, socializing, and even gardening. Incorporating native plants, shrubs, and trees not only enhances the beauty of the courtyard but also supports local biodiversity. Pathways, seating areas, and decorative elements like sculptures or fountains can be integrated into the landscape design, creating a visually engaging environment. This thoughtful landscaping fosters a sense of harmony between the home and its surroundings, making the courtyard a cherished space for leisure and enjoyment. Finally, the aesthetic appeal of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction is enhanced by the sense of community it fosters. Courtyard designs often encourage interaction among neighbors, creating a vibrant and connected living environment. This communal aspect can lead to shared gardening projects, social gatherings, and collaborative efforts in maintaining the beauty of the courtyard. The visual appeal of the surroundings is amplified by the collective care and pride that residents take in their shared space. Ultimately, the combination of thoughtful design, sustainable materials, and community engagement contributes to the lasting charm and allure of courtyard living, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both beauty and functionality in their homes. The role of sustainability in courtyard design. Sustainability is a key consideration in the design and construction of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction. This approach not only minimizes environmental impact but also promotes a healthier living environment. By utilizing low-cost, sustainable materials, homeowners can reduce their carbon footprint while creating a home that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Materials such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, and locally sourced stone can be incorporated into the design, providing durability and a unique character to the structure. This focus on sustainability ensures that the home can withstand the test of time while maintaining a connection to the natural surroundings. In addition to material choices, the layout of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction plays a significant role in enhancing energy efficiency. The design can take advantage of natural ventilation and sunlight, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. Strategic placement of windows and openings allows for cross-ventilation, which helps maintain a comfortable indoor climate. Furthermore, the courtyard itself acts as a thermal buffer, moderating temperatures and providing a microclimate that can support various plants and outdoor activities. This thoughtful integration of design elements not only enhances comfort but also contributes to lower energy consumption, making the home more sustainable. Water management is another crucial aspect of sustainability in a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction. Incorporating rainwater harvesting systems and permeable paving can significantly reduce water runoff and promote groundwater recharge. The courtyard can be designed to collect rainwater, which can then be used for irrigation or other non-potable purposes. Additionally, using drought-resistant plants in the landscaping can minimize water usage while still creating a vibrant and lush environment. This proactive approach to water management not only conserves resources but also fosters a sense of responsibility towards the local ecosystem. The community aspect of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction also supports sustainability. Courtyard designs often encourage social interaction and collaboration among neighbors, fostering a sense of community that can lead to shared resources and knowledge. This communal living approach can result in collective gardening efforts, shared maintenance of common areas, and even community events that promote sustainability awareness. By working together, residents can create a more resilient and sustainable living environment, enhancing their quality of life while minimizing their ecological impact. Finally, the long-term benefits of sustainability in a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction extend beyond individual homes to the broader community and environment. Sustainable practices not only contribute to a healthier living space but also promote environmental stewardship and awareness. As more individuals embrace sustainable design principles, the cumulative effect can lead to significant positive changes in local ecosystems and communities. By prioritizing sustainability in home construction and design, homeowners not only create beautiful and functional spaces but also contribute to a more sustainable future for generations to come. The future of courtyard living. As we look toward the future of architecture, the concept of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction stands out as a beacon of innovation and sustainability. This design philosophy not only addresses the immediate needs for affordable housing but also embraces the principles of environmental stewardship. With the world facing pressing challenges such as climate change and resource depletion, the adoption of low-cost materials becomes crucial. These materials, often sourced locally, reduce transportation emissions and support local economies. By prioritizing these sustainable practices, the future of courtyard living can offer a viable solution to housing shortages without compromising on quality or aesthetic appeal. Incorporating modern technology into the design of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can further enhance its sustainability and efficiency. Smart home technologies can be integrated to optimize energy usage, monitor water consumption, and enhance security. For instance, solar panels can be installed on rooftops to harness renewable energy, while smart thermostats can help regulate indoor temperatures based on occupancy and preferences. This integration of technology not only makes the home more efficient but also empowers residents to take control of their resource consumption. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions that align with the principles of sustainable living. The design of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can also be adapted to meet the diverse needs of various communities. Flexibility in design allows for the incorporation of multifunctional spaces that can serve multiple purposes. For example, a courtyard can be transformed into a communal gathering area, a garden, or even a space for outdoor activities. This adaptability promotes a sense of community and encourages social interaction among residents. As urban areas become increasingly dense, the importance of communal spaces within residential designs cannot be overstated. By fostering connections among neighbors, courtyard living can enhance the quality of life and create a supportive environment. Moreover, the aesthetic appeal of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction cannot be overlooked. The use of natural materials such as wood, stone, and clay not only contributes to sustainability but also adds warmth and character to the home. These materials can be creatively used in various architectural elements, such as walls, roofs, and outdoor spaces, to create visually stunning designs. Additionally, incorporating greenery and landscaping into the courtyard enhances the overall ambience, making it a serene retreat from the hustle and bustle of urban life. As more homeowners seek to create personal sanctuaries, the aesthetic potential of courtyard living becomes an essential aspect of its future. Finally, the movement toward a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction aligns with a broader shift in societal values toward sustainability and community-oriented living. As awareness grows about the impacts of traditional construction methods on the environment, more individuals are advocating for eco-friendly alternatives. This shift is reflected in changing consumer preferences, with many seeking homes that reflect their values of sustainability and community engagement. The future of courtyard living, therefore, is not just about creating affordable housing, it is about fostering a lifestyle that prioritizes environmental responsibility, social connection, and personal well-being. By embracing these principles, we can pave the way for a more sustainable and harmonious future in home design. The benefits of community engagement in courtyard design. Community engagement plays a crucial role in the development of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction. When designing such homes, it is essential to involve local communities in the planning and decision-making processes. This engagement ensures that the designs reflect the needs, preferences, and cultural values of the residents. By incorporating feedback from potential inhabitants, architects and designers can create spaces that foster a sense of belonging and ownership. Engaging the community not only leads to better architectural outcomes but also strengthens social ties and promotes collaboration among neighbors. This collaborative approach can result in innovative solutions that enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of the courtyard, making it a true reflection of the community's identity. Moreover, community engagement in the design of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction encourages the use of local resources and labor. By sourcing materials from local suppliers and employing local craftsmen, the project can significantly reduce costs while stimulating the local economy. This practice not only minimizes the environmental impact associated with transporting materials over long distances but also supports the livelihoods of those within the community. Additionally, using local materials often results in designs that are better suited to the local climate and environment, enhancing the overall sustainability of the construction. As communities work together to build their homes, they create a sense of pride and ownership that can lead to long-lasting benefits for everyone involved. The concept of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction also allows for the incorporation of community spaces that promote interaction and collaboration. Courtyards can serve as central gathering places where residents can come together for social events, gardening, or recreational activities. These shared spaces foster a sense of community and provide opportunities for residents to connect with one another. By designing courtyards that encourage interaction, architects can help create vibrant neighborhoods where relationships flourish. Furthermore, these communal areas can be designed to accommodate various activities, making them versatile spaces that cater to the diverse interests and needs of the community. In addition to fostering social connections, community engagement in the design process of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can lead to greater environmental awareness and sustainability practices. When residents are involved in the planning stages, they are more likely to advocate for eco-friendly features such as rainwater harvesting systems, solar panels, and native plant landscaping. This collaborative approach can result in innovative solutions that benefit both the environment and the community. By promoting sustainability, these designs not only help to mitigate the impacts of climate change but also create healthier living spaces for residents. As communities become more engaged in these practices, they cultivate a shared responsibility for their environment, leading to a more resilient future. Finally, the long-term success of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction is heavily influenced by ongoing community engagement even after the construction is complete. Establishing community organizations or committees can help ensure that the needs of residents continue to be met over time. These groups can facilitate regular meetings to discuss improvements, organize events, and maintain shared spaces. By fostering a culture of collaboration and communication, communities can adapt to changing needs and challenges, ensuring that the courtyard remains a vibrant and integral part of daily life. In essence, community engagement is not just a step in the design process, it is a continuous journey that shapes the evolution of the courtyard and the lives of those who inhabit it. Designing for sustainability in courtyard homes. Designing a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction inherently involves a commitment to sustainability. This approach prioritizes the use of renewable resources, energy efficiency, and minimal environmental impact throughout the construction process. Sustainable design starts with the selection of materials that are not only cost-effective but also environmentally friendly. Utilizing locally sourced materials reduces transportation emissions and supports the local economy. For instance, clay, bamboo, and reclaimed wood can serve as excellent building materials that are both affordable and sustainable. By focusing on these elements, the design process can create a home that aligns with eco-conscious values while remaining accessible to a wider audience. Energy efficiency is another critical aspect of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction. Incorporating passive solar design principles can significantly reduce energy consumption. This involves strategic placement of windows and overhangs to maximize natural light and ventilation while minimizing heat loss. For example, large windows facing south can capture sunlight during the winter months, while awnings can provide shade in the summer, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. Additionally, the integration of energy-efficient appliances and fixtures can further enhance the sustainability of the home. By designing with energy efficiency in mind, the overall operational costs can be lowered, making the home more affordable to maintain over time. Water conservation is equally essential in the context of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction. Implementing rainwater harvesting systems can provide a sustainable water source for irrigation and non-potable uses, significantly reducing reliance on municipal water supplies. Moreover, designing landscapes that incorporate native plants can minimize water usage, as these plants are typically well adapted to the local climate and require less irrigation. Features such as permeable paving in the courtyard can help manage stormwater runoff, allowing water to seep into the ground rather than overwhelming drainage systems. By prioritizing water conservation, the design not only benefits the environment but also contributes to the long-term resilience of the home and its occupants. The role of community in sustainable design cannot be overlooked in a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction. Engaging the local community in the design and construction process fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility towards the environment. Community members can provide valuable insights into local climate conditions, resource availability, and cultural preferences, which can inform sustainable design choices. Collaborative efforts can lead to the creation of shared spaces within the courtyard that promote social interaction while also serving as areas for community gardening or educational workshops on sustainability. This collective engagement not only enhances the design but also strengthens community bonds and encourages ongoing stewardship of the environment. Lastly, the long-term vision for sustainability in a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction involves adaptability and resilience. As climate conditions change, homes must be designed to withstand various environmental challenges. This includes incorporating flexible design elements that can be modified or expanded as needed. For example, using modular construction techniques allows for future additions or alterations without extensive renovations. Furthermore, sustainable practices should extend beyond the initial construction phase. Ongoing maintenance and community engagement are vital for ensuring that the home remains an effective model of sustainability. By embracing adaptability, the design can evolve with the needs of its occupants and the surrounding environment, ultimately contributing to a more sustainable future. Community benefits of courtyard living. The concept of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction extends beyond mere aesthetics and functionality. It fosters a sense of community that is often lacking in more traditional housing designs. Courtyard homes provide shared spaces where neighbors can interact, collaborate, and build relationships. This design encourages social engagement, allowing for communal activities such as gardening, gatherings, and events that enrich the lives of those who inhabit these spaces. The layout of a courtyard house promotes a sense of belonging, as the open areas serve as natural meeting points, creating an environment where individuals can come together, share ideas, and support one another. This social fabric is essential for cultivating strong, resilient communities that thrive on mutual assistance and cooperation. In addition to fostering social connections, a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can also provide economic benefits. By utilizing low-cost materials and efficient construction techniques, these homes can be built at a fraction of the cost of traditional housing. This affordability makes homeownership accessible to a broader range of individuals, including those who may have been priced out of the housing market. Furthermore, the communal nature of courtyard living allows for shared resources, such as tools and equipment, reducing individual expenses and promoting sustainability. When neighbors collaborate on projects or share responsibilities, they can collectively enhance their living environment without incurring significant costs. This economic model not only benefits individual households but also strengthens the community's overall financial stability. The environmental impact of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction is another crucial aspect of its design. By prioritizing sustainable building practices and materials, these homes contribute to a healthier planet. The use of locally sourced materials minimizes transportation emissions, while energy-efficient features reduce reliance on non-renewable energy sources. Courtyard designs often incorporate green spaces, which help to improve air quality and provide habitats for local wildlife. Additionally, the communal gardens and shared outdoor areas promote biodiversity and encourage residents to engage with nature. This integration of green elements not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the community but also fosters a sense of stewardship for the environment, encouraging residents to take an active role in preserving their surroundings. Moreover, a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can significantly enhance the quality of life for its residents. The design encourages outdoor living, with ample space for relaxation, recreation, and social interaction. Courtyards can serve as extensions of the home, providing areas for dining, gardening, or simply enjoying the fresh air. This connection to the outdoors has been shown to improve mental well-being, reduce stress, and promote a healthier lifestyle. Additionally, the layout of courtyard homes often allows for better natural ventilation and daylighting, creating comfortable living environments that contribute to overall happiness and satisfaction. By prioritizing both physical and mental well-being, courtyard living can lead to a more fulfilling and enriched life for all who reside within these spaces. Finally, the enduring appeal of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction lies in its ability to adapt to the changing needs of its residents. As families grow or circumstances change, the flexible design of courtyard homes allows for modifications and expansions without significant structural alterations. This adaptability ensures that the home can remain relevant and functional throughout various life stages. Additionally, the communal aspect of courtyard living encourages ongoing collaboration and innovation among residents, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. By embracing this dynamic approach to home design, communities can thrive, evolve, and respond to the needs of their inhabitants, ensuring a sustainable and vibrant future for all. The future of courtyard homes. As we look to the future, the concept of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction holds significant promise for addressing various housing challenges. With urbanization on the rise and the demand for affordable housing increasing, courtyard homes offer a viable solution that combines sustainability, community, and cost-effectiveness. The design's inherent flexibility allows it to adapt to different environments, making it suitable for both urban and rural settings. This adaptability ensures that these homes can meet the diverse needs of future generations while promoting a lifestyle that values community engagement and environmental stewardship. As we move forward, the integration of innovative technologies and sustainable practices will further enhance the appeal and functionality of courtyard homes. Incorporating smart technology into a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can revolutionize how these homes operate. Smart home systems can optimize energy consumption, enhance security, and improve overall convenience for residents. For instance, energy-efficient appliances can be integrated seamlessly, allowing occupants to monitor and manage their energy usage in real time. Additionally, smart irrigation systems can be employed in communal gardens, ensuring that water is used efficiently while promoting sustainable landscaping practices. By embracing technology, courtyard homes can not only reduce their environmental impact but also enhance the quality of life for residents, making them more attractive to future homeowners. The role of community in the success of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction cannot be overstated. As these homes are designed to foster social interaction and collaboration, they create a sense of belonging among residents. Future developments could focus on enhancing these communal aspects, incorporating shared spaces such as community gardens, gathering areas, and recreational facilities. These shared amenities can encourage residents to engage with one another, building strong relationships that contribute to a supportive and vibrant community. By prioritizing social cohesion, courtyard homes can create environments where collaboration and mutual support thrive, ultimately leading to improved well-being for all residents. Furthermore, the environmental benefits of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction align perfectly with the growing global emphasis on sustainability. Future designs can incorporate even more eco-friendly materials and construction techniques, such as recycled materials, green roofs, and solar panels. These features not only minimize the ecological footprint of the homes but also promote a lifestyle that respects and nurtures the environment. As awareness of climate change and environmental degradation continues to rise, the demand for sustainable housing solutions will only increase. Courtyard homes, with their focus on low-cost and efficient construction, are well-positioned to meet this demand while promoting a healthier planet for future generations. In conclusion, the future of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction is bright and full of potential. By embracing innovative technologies, fostering community engagement, and prioritizing sustainability, these homes can address the pressing housing challenges of our time. As we move forward, it is crucial to recognize the value of courtyard living as a model for future housing developments. By investing in the design and construction of courtyard homes, we can create vibrant, resilient communities that not only provide affordable housing but also enrich the lives of those who inhabit them. As we explore this path, we can look forward to a future where home is not just a place to live, but a thriving community space that supports connection, sustainability, and well-being. Designing for sustainability. In the quest for efficient and affordable housing solutions, the concept of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction emerges as a beacon of sustainability. The design principles that govern these homes prioritize not only cost-effectiveness but also environmental stewardship. By utilizing locally sourced and recycled materials, these homes can significantly reduce their carbon footprint while promoting a circular economy. For instance, materials such as bamboo, reclaimed wood, or compressed earth blocks can be incorporated, offering durability and aesthetic appeal without the hefty price tag. This approach not only supports sustainable practices but also fosters a deeper connection between the residents and their environment, encouraging a lifestyle that values resourcefulness and conservation. Moreover, the layout of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can be strategically designed to maximize natural resources. Orientation plays a crucial role in harnessing solar energy and ensuring adequate ventilation, which are vital for energy efficiency. By positioning living spaces to face the sun, these homes can benefit from passive solar heating, reducing reliance on artificial heating systems. Additionally, large windows and open layouts can facilitate cross-ventilation, allowing for natural cooling during warmer months. This thoughtful design not only enhances comfort but also minimizes energy consumption, making these homes a sustainable choice for the future. As the demand for eco-friendly housing continues to rise, the principles behind courtyard homes will likely serve as a model for future developments. The community aspect of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction also plays a significant role in promoting sustainability. By creating shared spaces, such as gardens or communal areas, residents can engage in collective gardening and resource sharing, reducing waste and fostering a sense of togetherness. These communal activities can lead to a greater awareness of environmental issues and encourage sustainable practices among residents. For example, composting initiatives can be established to recycle organic waste, while rainwater harvesting systems can be implemented to manage water usage efficiently. This community-driven approach not only enhances the sustainability of the courtyard homes but also builds strong social bonds, creating resilient neighborhoods that prioritize environmental responsibility. Incorporating green technologies into a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can further enhance their sustainability. The integration of solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, and smart home systems can significantly reduce energy costs and promote a sustainable lifestyle. For instance, solar panels can be installed on rooftops to harness renewable energy, while energy-efficient lighting in appliances can lower electricity consumption. Additionally, smart home systems can monitor energy use and optimize resource consumption, providing valuable insights for residents. By embracing these technologies, Courtyard homes can not only reduce their environmental impact but also offer long-term financial savings, making them an attractive option for future homeowners. In conclusion, the design of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction is intrinsically linked to sustainability. By prioritizing eco-friendly materials, thoughtful layouts, community engagement, and green technologies, these homes present a viable solution to the pressing housing challenges of our time. As we look ahead, the principles of sustainability embedded in courtyard home designs will play a crucial role in shaping the future of housing. By fostering a harmonious relationship between residents and their environment, these homes can inspire a new generation to embrace sustainable living, ensuring that we leave a positive legacy for those who come after us. The role of community in courtyard living. The concept of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction extends beyond individual homes to encompass the broader community. These designs promote a sense of belonging and interaction among residents, which is essential for fostering strong social ties. In many urban settings, isolation can be a significant issue, leading to a lack of community engagement. Courtyard houses, with their shared outdoor spaces and communal areas, provide opportunities for residents to connect, share resources, and participate in community activities. This design encourages a lifestyle where neighbors know each other and work together to create a supportive environment, ultimately enhancing the quality of life for everyone involved. Community gardens are often a central feature in a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction. These gardens serve as a focal point for residents to gather, share gardening tips, and even grow their own food. This not only promotes sustainable living but also fosters a sense of collaboration and shared responsibility. Residents can come together to plant, maintain, and harvest the garden, creating a bond that transcends individual households. Additionally, community gardens can enhance food security, providing fresh produce to those who may not have the means to purchase it. This collective effort not only beautifies the neighborhood but also instills a sense of pride and ownership among residents, reinforcing the idea that they are part of something larger than themselves. Moreover, a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction can facilitate various community events and activities. Shared spaces can be utilized for gatherings, workshops, and celebrations, allowing residents to learn from one another and share their skills. For example, a cooking class using ingredients from the community garden could be organized, promoting healthy eating and culinary skills. These events create opportunities for residents to engage with one another, fostering friendships and building a sense of community spirit. By encouraging participation in communal activities, courtyard homes can significantly enhance social cohesion and promote a culture of collaboration and support. The design of a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction also allows for flexibility in how spaces are used. This adaptability can be crucial for accommodating the changing needs of a community. For instance, areas that may serve as children's play zones can be transformed into spaces for adult gatherings or workshops. This multifunctional approach ensures that the courtyard remains a vibrant and dynamic part of the community, catering to various interests and age groups. The ability to repurpose spaces encourages creativity and innovation, allowing residents to shape their environment according to their needs and preferences. In conclusion, the role of community in a simple courtyard house using low-cost materials for efficient construction cannot be overstated. By fostering connections among residents, promoting shared resources, and encouraging communal activities, these designs create a supportive and engaging living environment. The integration of community gardens, flexible spaces, and opportunities for collaboration not only enhances the quality of life but also instills a sense of pride and ownership among residents. As we move towards a more interconnected and sustainable future, the principles of community living embodied in courtyard homes will play a crucial role in shaping resilient neighborhoods that prioritize cooperation and support.